Looking for the best robot mops to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot X11. Dimensions: 13.9 inches x 3.9 inches, WXH. Weight: 5.3 pounds for debut, 10.3 pounds for the docking station. Released in 2025, the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni Cyclone robot vacuum and mop will cost you 2 to 3 times the price of the average mid-range model, but it's also perhaps the best of its kind. So if you have the funds to pay $1,500 for this effortless floor cleaner, do it. You'll rarely need to clean your floors yourself again. Included with the X11 Omni Cyclone is the robot itself, as well as a docking station that contains fresh water and dirty water tanks, an internal vacuum that sucks the debris out of the robot vacuum, and the battery charger. Befitting its name, the X11 Omni Cyclone is fast and intense. Its high-torque motor features 4 levels of suction power, up to 19,500 pascals, which is a lot, 3 cleaning speeds, and 3 cleaning modes, vac, mop, and both, allowing it to hug edges and baseboards and get into corners using side and main brushes that lift and adjust, plus a little arm that comes out to sweep crumbs into its path. In the app, you can simply use the preset auto mode or customize the run based on your preferences or the floor's dirt level. Deebot has also updated its roller mop. Yes, it's a roller, not spinning pads like most competitive models, adding a reinforced, high-density nylon to break down really gross, dried-on stains. And it does. Number 2. Narwal Flow Robot Vacuum and Mop. Dimensions: 13.8 inches by 3.7 inches, WXH. Weight: 10.8 pounds. The Narwal Flow is one of the most advanced robot vacuums we've come across, combining best-in-class cleaning power with true hands-off convenience. Its suction is exceptionally strong, up to 22,000 pascals, and it can pull embedded debris from carpet fibers that other robots leave behind. Its unique flow wash track mop extends all the way to the edges of a room, scrubbing baseboards and corners more effectively than spinning pads can. Navigation is excellent, thanks to dual cameras and LiDAR that help the flow detect and avoid hundreds of common household obstacles. The 8-in-1 base automatically empties debris, refills clean water, washes and dries the mop, and even keeps odors at bay, making this one of the few truly self-maintaining systems on the market. The main trade-offs are its price and relatively heavy water use. Long cleaning sessions may require a refill. And while Narwal's customer support has improved, it's still a younger brand compared to stalwarts like Ecovacs. But in pure performance and automation, the Flow stands as an ideal pick for anyone who wants spotless floors with almost no effort. Number 3. SwitchBot S20 Floor Cleaning Robot. Dimensions: 14.4 inches x 4.5 inches. Weight: 12.1 pounds. The SwitchBot S20 delivers a surprising level of automation for its price, and that's why it's our pick for best budget robot vacuum and mop. It also combines 10,000 pascals suction with a continuous rinsing roller mop that keeps itself clean while scrubbing floors. Again, we're surprised to see this in an entry-level model. The S20 offers excellent automation. The multi-clean base automatically empties debris, washes the mop, dries it with hot air, and can even connect to a water line for fully automated refills and drains. Its integration with the SwitchBot smart home ecosystem and support for Matter 1.4 is a huge plus, making it compatible with major platforms like Alexa and Apple Home. While the S20's performance is impressive for the cost, it omits some high-end features, which we'd expect at this price. There's no camera for advanced obstacle recognition, and it can't lift its mop on carpets. The app is straightforward but lacks the fine-tuned control found in premium competitors. For households that prioritize value and automation over cutting-edge hardware, the S20 provides reliable cleaning and exceptional convenience. Because it offers so many features that typically cost more, the S20 represents a high value in the budget category. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Dimensions: 13.3 inches x 3.4 inches. Weight: 11 pounds. With previous iteration, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus, released back in 2023, iRobot leaned fully into autonomous cleaning, pairing it with the powerful vacuuming we'd seen in previous vacuum-only models and its first vacuum mop hybrid, the Combo J7 Plus. But the Combo 10 Max is iRobot's most ambitious hybrid to date, combining all-in-one functions like self-emptying, mop washing, mop drying, and auto-refill. It's also iRobot's first robot with Matter support, offering seamless smart home integration. Enhanced Dirt Detect uses an onboard camera to identify soiled areas for extra passes, also recognizing cords, pet waste, and other obstacles to avoid. The Auto Wash dock is redesigned from the Combo J9 Plus to handle water tanks, debris emptying, and mop maintenance in one unit. On the flip side, reviewers note its navigation and mapping falls short compared to rivals that standardize LEDAR-based mapping, like Ecovacs. Functionally, the mop is lifted rather than aggressively agitated, so tougher stains may require extra passes when cleaning. Some critics also point out inconsistency in mop drying. Pads may remain damp in certain environments. Number 5. Roborock Saros Z70. Dimensions: 18.7 inches x 15 inches x 19.2 inches. Weight: 30 pounds. The Roborock Saros Z70 represents the bleeding edge of robot vacuum innovation. Alongside its 22,000 pascals suction and dual rotating mop pads, it features a 5-axis robotic arm, the first of its kind in a consumer floor cleaner, that can pick up socks, toys, and cables from the floor, clearing obstacles before vacuuming. It's a glimpse of a truly autonomous future. The Z70's base automatically removes mop pads before carpet cleaning and reattaches them afterward, while its AI camera navigation steers expertly around clutter and under furniture. That innovation comes with caveats. The arm isn't perfect, it occasionally fumbles objects or slows cleaning while repositioning them. The dustbin and water tank are smaller than those of other Roborock models, and its $2,599 price tag is hard to justify for most households, although it's often on sale. Still, its cleaning performance ranks high, and its reliability in day-to-day use reflects Roborock's maturity as a brand. The Saros Z70 is undeniably overkill for many users, but for tech enthusiasts who want to experience the next generation of home robotics, it's pretty remarkable.